I want to say a bit more about limited liability, though this is a topic that we're going to return to again and again. The basic idea is familiar from our discussion of alternative entities. Only the assets of the corporation are available to creditors of the corporation. But see, here think about the partnership again. Remember that creditors of the partnership could reach the personal assets of the partners in terms of the stability of the business and in terms of how existing partners think about their relationship to the business and how potential new partners think about their relationship to the business. This is a major issue for anyone contemplating joining the partnership or leaving the partnership. The potential to be liable for the partnership's debts is a major issue. Unlike the partnership, the corporation, um, when it has creditors, those creditors can't, in general, reach the personal assets of the owners of the entity, the stockholders. Whatever the stockholders have contributed to the entity, whatever they've put in the corporation, that those assets, of course, are available to corporate creditors, but that's all. The corporate form draws this hard legal boundary between, on the one hand, the assets of the entity, and on the other hand, the assets of the owners, the stockholders. This allows for the separation of investment and management, a point we'll think about in some detail. Those who wish to be financially exposed to the risks of the business can specialize in that function by investing equity capital, by becoming a stockholder. And this is really important, they can liquidate their investment without affecting the business. They can withdraw from being associated with the corporation, sell their stock to somebody else who steps into their shoes and becomes affiliated with the corporation. And the creditworthiness of the corporation as an entity doesn't change. At the same time, the business can be left in the hands of professional managers. These are people who may have specialized industry knowledge or particular operational expertise, and they can continue the operations of the corporation regardless of any turnover in ownership. Stock can change hands, the identity of the stockholders can change, and it doesn't affect the corporation or how it's managed.